Hello, I'm Gurpreet Singh, a part of Nanotech Chemical Brothers. I'm heading the R&D lab of Nanotech Chemical Brothers established in North India. Today we will talk about the natural plant extracts that are growing in demand because of their functional and unique properties. So they're very gentle and healthy on your skin. So our partner AVT Natural provides a consumer-friendly and sustainable natural plant extracts for cosmetics and personal care products. AVT extracts are in powder form with 100% active content. They are very easy to use in final formulations. You can easily use them in water-based and emulsion-based products. They will not leave any residue. They are readily soluble in water. You can also use them by making 5 to 10% solution of them. They impart very unique and attractive color to the final formulation when used in an appropriate dosage. Also, they are completely natural with EcoCert and Cosmo certification. So let me show you how convenient it is to use AVT natural extracts in final formulations. So here we have taken some water into a beaker. So let's add green tea extract by AVT natural into it. So here you can see how easily it gets dissolved into water without leaving any residue. You can see the green tea extract has been completely dissolved into water. Similarly, it can be dissolved into water-based formulations and emulsion-based formulations very easily without leaving any residue. Similarly, all the other extracts of AVT can be easily dissolved into your formulations very easily. Here we have 5% solutions of some other AVT natural extracts. Here it is green coffee extract. It's a 5% solution of holly basil extract. It is a 5% solution of lemon balm extract. You can see there is no residue in any of the extracts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please contact us for further information.